Hello familia, this is Hanoi Quint with Premier Homes, and today we are going to be joining our team. They're hosting an open house at 99 Willard Avenue in Bloomfield, New Jersey. This property is located minutes away from the Garden State Parkway, beautiful state and local parks. Perfectly suited for family or for investors planning to take advantage for maximizing rental income. So let's check it out.
How's it going, guys? Welcome to 99 Willard Avenue. First of all, this home speaks for itself in a big major volume because of the space it has. You're gonna live here, you're gonna have 2 other units that pay for itself. Now when you come here, you open the doors over here, you have, first of all, an amazing deck. It overlooks the whole neighborhood. You're looking at 4 or 5 homes that just don't hit up the amount of volume that this home does. So we're looking at around 2,900 square feet. You have three floors, excluding the basement. So you have your entertainment or your man cave, whatever you want to call it, you have it downstairs. You have a full dining room, living room, and an eating kitchen. Everything that you need in a home is right here. Come check us out. Our open house is from 12 to 4, and see why owning a home right now in this day and age is the ultimate tool for leveraging your money and becoming financially free.
Hi, I'm Yesenia Realty and Real Estate Agent at Premier Homes. We're showing 99 Willard Avenue in Bloomfield. It's a beautiful house, a beautiful single family house. You guys have to come check it out. Open house today from 12 to 4.
Welcome to this beautiful open house that we're hosting today for Premier Homes, our team. This house features 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Actually has 3 kitchens. There's bathrooms in every single floor. There's a fully finished basement, 2 detached garage, and a huge yard. So you gotta come check it out, hit Hanoi, and come right away.
There's Megan, always busy, always on the phone, making transactions. What's going on, Megan? What do you think about this property?
Give me 1 second.
She's gonna give us around.
All right. No, are you recording? No. Take that up.
Go. I'm recording already.
Okay, hold on. Let's move over there. No, not you guys. I'm like clearing my throat. Hold on, I get nervous. Wait.
Hey, can we do another shot?
Yes. If we get to finish with Megan, let's go. 3, 2.
Where? I know. Go for it.